Okay, it's recording now. All right, I'm gonna hand it over to Dunqian to talk about the metrics, job service metrics dashboard.
Okay, let me share my screen. Oh, can you see my screen now?
Yep.
Okay. We plan in next release to add a template, dashboard template on our Harbor repo, because as we all know that every people have their own environment, so the template is just a reference. So we plan to put it in this photo country Grafana dashboard photo, and that is a reference. And to use this template is just copy the JSON file to your Grafana. Import, paste the JSON file here and the node. Okay. We can say this is our example dashboard template, and we categorize all the metrics in five panels. The first one is the information, which is data metrics we exposed by our exporter, and which is collect from the database or Redis or something like that. And this is general metrics, and this metric is exposed by the Go library, and which is the runtime data of our service. And this core metrics is metrics exposed by Harbor core, and job service metrics is the new metrics we will add them in our next release. And currently the code is merged into our master branch. If you can try, you can using the master branch to preview. And we also expose some job service metrics here, like job service information, which include the pool and the node ID. And it also told us the task queue latency and task queue sizes, and task concurrency, something like that. And there is a distribution of our task process time. And the next one is the registry metrics, and it also the metrics exposed by our registry component. So this is my template here, and if you wanna, you can just paste it on your environment, and you can also edit this to fit your own requirement. So I think this is my today's demo.
Hey, Dunqian.
Okay.
Is the time adjustable? The time window?
Oh yeah, the time window.
I see it. It's up there for the last 3 hours.
Yeah, you can change the time window here.
Okay. So is this only the job service?
No, this
or...
is all. This is all the Harbor metrics, and job service part is in this panel.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of useful information here. How do you customize? I guess this isn't really a Harbor question anymore, but how do you customize the legend? Like the different colors, what the different colors mean, for example.
Okay,
but
I think,
or is like any
okay, Okay, the color, I think we cannot customize the colors. I think it's the color is assigned by the graphic itself, but you can customize the name, and you can also add some other dashboard or panels in this matrix, and maybe you can edit some from QL on this dashboard. And for example, if you wanna see the GC, you can
Got it.
change the pro QL here.
That's very cool. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So, yeah, can you click on registry metric, the last one?
Okay.
I'm just curious what we're capturing here.
Okay. This metric is exposed by the Docker distribution itself, and we also connect them.
Okay. What about like number of pushes, number of pulls, number of deletions, replications? Do we have any data there?
Oh, okay. I think we don't have a push or something like that, but we have a number of pull.
Okay.
Because the number of pull, we store the number of pull here. But we didn't add the instrumentation point in our code to record the push or something related to this operation.
Yeah, I think pushes, right, might be useful as well. That might be something we should add.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
about replications? Like, is there anything related to replication jobs?
Okay. I think the replication, all the thing is in the job service metrics, and as you can see, and every job will have a. Can you see the type?
Yes.
Yeah,
it's like
and yeah, the job is categorized by the type, and if replication, let's zoom it out.
yeah, I think it's just the line is 0 for the most part. That's why I can't see it.
Yeah, because I just run a replication job, so it goes up here.
It's very cool. Thank you.
Okay. So any other questions?
Nope, not from me. Anybody else have any questions?
So Sharon, do we can monitor the the job or in waiting status?
Yeah,
in the job
waiting
service?
state is the test queue pending size, and as you can see, and because I just run a replication job, so as you can see, this job, the pending size is up here, and as the time goes by, and the job service processes the job, so the pending size decreased. So, and it also has a latency, which is the job in our queue. The latest job should process in next time. Waiting in our queue here is the time.
Okay, cool. I think that is useful for the users to monitor how many pending jobs. That means maybe need to adjust some resources for this node.
Yeah, if the pending size is too large, maybe we can do something with this.
Thank you, Jay.
Okay. Okay. If there's no question, I stop my sharing. Thank you.
Thank you. So I was gonna ask Stephen Zhou to provide an update on the operator, but he's not here today. Is there anything else anybody wants to discuss? Or any other updates from your side, Jelly, in terms of releases or
yeah,
related?
Last week we have released a 2.2.1, which have fixed the issue related to the high CPU consumed after the upgrading to 2.2. So that is an important issue that we have fixed. For now, it is safe for the users to upgrade to the latest 2.2.1 and to have the new feature introduced in the 2.2. Yeah.
Got it. Thank you. Do you by any chance know what was the reason for the high CPU consumption? Or any more details?
The reason is because we have some some state name changed in the database definition. So there is one state is not a match from previous release after upgrade to 2.2. So that caused a lot of job pending in the job service. So the job will run into a cycle that will cost a lot of resources. So that is the reason.
Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at the 2.1. Is there anything else in 2.2.1, or was it mainly for fixing this? There's a notary key rotate and delete failure fix as well. I see.
Oh yeah, actually I did not get more details for that issue.
And I think we also released 2.1.4, right? Or that was 22 days ago, so never mind. That should have been covered in the last community meeting. Yeah, I mean the update on the operator is that we're trying to get this ready for KubeCon. So we probably won't ship a beta even until probably early May, end of April. And I don't have an update on when we can actually GA the operator, but it'll probably be sometime around this summer, it looks like.
Yeah, probably we can to target the release the operator release by end of April.
End of April.
That is the current plan. Yeah.
Got it. Anything else? Anything else worth sharing with the community? Hey, Abby, do you want to talk about the template proposal that you have, or is that something worth sharing?
Yeah, so we have I have a PR open to add a PR template to the Harbor repo, so that when you are opening a PR, you can input a little more information about what the PR fixes, link to any issues, and then go through a checklist to make sure people have the right sign-off applied if there's any docs related issues that we should know about. So that's something that we're looking to implement. It's not perfect yet. I don't have a link to the PR right now, but I can put it in the chat in a second if people want to take a look.
Yes, that would be helpful. I'm trying to find it. Is it under the main Harbor repo, or is it a different repo?
I mean, maybe we can put it in the community and then just
Yes, I
as
was
a
gonna put it
proposal,
into the notes.
and then it can,
Yeah,
it can
Alex,
comment.
that PR is under the Harbor repo.
Okay, let me find it. I know she posted it in Slack before, so.
I just put a link in the chat. That should be it.
Got it. I'll add it to the community notes right now.
Would love some feedback if you have any ideas of what's there. It's, like I said, it's still a work in progress.
Anything else from anyone? Okay. If not, we can end early. So Harbor session, KubeCon Harbor session on May 5th. If you want to come, learn about the roadmap and learn about the operator, some of the things that we're working on. And I think we have 2 office hours as well, but I'll find out what those times are and I'll put it into the Harbor community meeting agenda notes as well. Cool. Thanks to everyone for attending. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you.